going to do a meal prep today for the entire week, so I wanted to show you guys that. Tired of eating unhealthy food and not having enough time to cook? In this video, I'm going to show you how I meal prep for the week so I'm not eating unhealthy on the go. Let's get started and so I can eat because we're really hungry.
All right, what'd you get in here, babe? Anything good?
You're gonna be proud, man.
What?
You are gonna be proud because
I see some chocolate almonds on the very top.
That's the only thing that I got that was like not like on point with the diet.
I typically don't prep for every single day, nor do I prep for every single meal. I prep for the days I know I'm going to be busy. I also prep snacks and occasionally my breakfast. For breakfast, I usually do overnight oats with my favorite Trader Joe's almond butter, sliced almonds, and berries. So good and an easy grab and go for the mornings. I also slice avocado and freeze it along with sliced pineapple for delicious morning avocado and pineapple smoothie. Super simple to make and really quick and easy for the morning. I also like to grab anything that's really easy to cook, throw in the oven or in the microwave for an easy, quick meal like these delicious burgers. Now time to cook a very simple and delicious taco bowl. I'll set aside some extra meat so I can toss it up for another meal during the week. Simply cook some ground turkey, add your favorite taco seasoning. We ended up using the cauliflower rice because they were out of my favorite instant brown rice. You can do either or. And then you're just gonna scoop some rice onto the bottom of the bowl, top with the ground turkey cooked, mix with your favorite greens. I like the Southwest salad pack you can find at Albertsons. Top with some crushed Quest chips for a healthy version of a crouton, sliced avocado, salsa, and low-fat sour cream. Enjoy.